front of me is Redmi Note 15 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Start by opening settings and tapping on About Phone right away. Now select storage. Scroll all the way down and hit Free Up. Then wait again. And tap on Cleanup over here. So when I do that, as you can see after a few seconds, all of my junk files were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!